Here. Wanted to give you a quick TA update, kind of how I'm navigating the market, and yeah, I think we're getting close to a top here. We have the 4-hour VWAP just peaking below the zero line. However, don't get too trigger happy on a short just yet. I would wait a little bit. At least you might be okay. I mean, I'd say there's a very high probability this red dot will confirm. I mean, look, when's the last time we had a red dot confirm? We could have, kind of a scenario like that where you would just get some crumbs out of a short. I think this one, most likely we're going to get a little bit more because, I mean, we'll probably get something like this, I would hope, or I would think, or maybe more of a scenario like this, or more unlikely but possible, something like that. So yeah, let's look at this. Got the crossover there. We're still like up in the into the green, so that's most likely, you'd have, obviously nothing goes straight up, forever, but you'd have more of a bullish continuum here. I mean, obviously the bearish case, you could get something like that. I mean, anything could happen, but most likely you'll see something like this, which would be pretty cool. It's kind of following that pattern. Cautiously optimistic in the medium term, bullish. But let's look at kind of why I think we're going to come down. Looks like we're kind of topping on the 6-hour. I mean, not out of the question to come up here before printing it up, but yeah. Let's look at these time frames. I mean, we're looking high on the 2-hour. Like that's not extremely sustainable. Like, I mean, usually when you come to see, it came this high and then bam, went down. So that's why I'm getting my shorts ready. I'm really looking to short here. 1 hour, yeah, same thing. I mean, it's usually you don't stay in the green that long. Usually you're gonna have some sort of correction. Let's go down to the 15-minute. I like the 15-minute, and really what I want to see here for a confident short to get in is money flow crossover into the red right here, the purple on the chart I'm using. Shout out to Jason Casper. I like his colors. You got to use them. I like them. Yeah, VWAP coming down, so this could be cautious optimism for a short position. Money flow crossover. I'm going to be really looking to short. I've taken a lot of profits out of my long position. I'm letting a little bit just ride. Anything could happen. Set the stop loss to entry point. It's been at my entry point for quite a while now, so I'm really preparing for a correction here. Same on the 10-minute. Fighting in and out of the green to the red. So I mean, I'd say we're getting close to a short position. I mean, usually this isn't like the in terms of these candlesticks, like you want to see a fierce rejection to for a bullish continuum. Like you want to see something like that. I mean, we could go let's see our last bullish continuum. Well, yeah, I mean you had something like that, so it's not entirely out of the question, but I think we're getting to the point where we're really starting to top out here, which be great for a good short opportunity. I mean, obviously, I mean if you're really somebody who likes to catch a rising knife in this position, you could have went here. I mean, that's riskier. It's not the way I typically trade. Sometimes I do mess around like that, but not always. I'm more of a conservative trader for the most part. So let's look at here. I mean, you could really see the divergences. I mean, look at this as money is coming up here. Look at that coming up, and then you can clearly see the divergence up. Yeah, so it's only a matter of time until we have some sort of correction. So yeah, that's how I'm navigating. I'm really looking for a crossover into the red on the 15-minute. I'm going to be really looking to short here. So that's that update. Ethereum, I was looking at that. I'm not going to go through the entire thing. It's basically the same exact thing, same deal. 12-minute. Let's go to 15-minute. 15-minute, really waiting for the money to come down. I mean, Ethereum, you do have it curving up. I think it's kind of a fluke. I think we're just going to come back down, but anything can happen, obviously. No financial advice here. So yeah, guys, if you like the video, please like the video, please subscribe. Check out my links below. If you want to check out a course that I took to learn to trade, if this seems kind of complicated to you with the lines of support, the resistance, you can kind of learn how to draw those out, how to use the Fibonacci. Jason Casper has a great course on that. It's one of the best ones for TA, in my opinion. If you want to get Market Cipher, I have a affiliate link for that as well below. And if you want to sign up for BITGET and get the same bonus that pretty much every YouTuber will give you, that's below too. Have a good one, guys. Goodbye.